Chattarpur's DGPS surveyors are indispensable to the land surveying industry. Improved technologies like the Differential Global Positioning System, DGPS, have supplanted the older, less precise methods of land surveying. DGPS surveyors use transmissions from satellites to pin down exact locations on the planet's surface. A number of highly regarded DGPS surveyors serving clients in industries as diverse as construction, infrastructure development, and urban planning are based in the Delhi neighborhood of Chattarpur. One such well-known DGPS surveying firm in the Chattarpur area of Delhi is Scon Design. They use cutting-edge DGPS technology to provide an extensive menu of land surveying options. Scon Design employs a crew of seasoned surveyors that are experts in using and interpreting DGPS data. Accurate measurements, boundaries, and topographic maps result from their efforts. Scon Design uses DGPS technology to guarantee accurate survey information for their projects. Surveyors in Chattarpur might get a number of benefits by switching to DGPS from more conventional surveying techniques. The improved precision with which land features may be measured is a major advantage. Surveyors can record even the smallest of features on the ground with the pinpoint precision provided by DGPS devices. This degree of precision is especially useful in the construction industry, where accurate measurements are essential for assuring perfect alignment and preventing expensive mistakes. In addition, DGPS surveying is much more productive than conventional approaches. Saving both time and money, satellite signals do away with the requirement for ground-based markers or reference points. The job of DGPS surveyors in Chattarpur is vital in the industry of land surveying. Technology improvements have allowed for the replacement of time-consuming and inaccurate old land surveying techniques with the more precise and efficient DGPS, Differential Global Positioning System. Satellite signals are used by DGPS surveyors to pinpoint their exact locations on Earth's surface. The Delhi neighborhood of Chattarpur is home to a number of highly regarded Differential Global Positioning System, DGPS, surveyors who offer their services to a wide range of industries. Scon Design is a well-known DGPS surveying firm in the Delhi neighborhood of Chattarpur. Using cutting-edge DGPS technology, they provide a comprehensive menu of land surveying services. The surveyors at Scon Design are experts in their field and have extensive expertise with DGPS technology. Land characteristics, boundaries, and terrain can all be mapped with pinpoint precision with the help of their expertise. Scon Design guarantees its clients accurate and trustworthy survey data by using DGPS technology. There are many benefits to using DGPS technology for surveying in Chattarpur compared to more conventional approaches. Accurate and precise measurements of land features are one of the main advantages. With the pinpoint accuracy that DGPS devices offer,